Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, and thank you guys so much for my 1K subscribers. I feel so thankful that you guys are all here with me and you guys are tuned in on my Decorate With Me progress. I just can't believe I'm at 1K, honestly. Thank you guys for the support. Thank you guys for the engagement. I love chatting with you guys in the comments. If you can, let me know where you're watching from. I would love to know like what state you're in, or if you're in a different country. Let me know down below in the comments and let's continue to chat. Today I'm bringing you guys along on a shop with me, and then I'm going to do a haul after my shop with me. I need to go back to Target and Home Goods. So if you've been following for a while, you guys know that I'm trying to do my master bathroom. I already went on a couple different shop with me's for my master bathroom, and I picked up a lot of stuff already, but it's still some stuff that I haven't found. So I'm going on a hunt again today. So like I said, I'm going to go to Home Goods and Target, and maybe even Bed Bath & Beyond if I can't find the things I need at those locations. So yeah, I'm excited and I just want to bring you guys along. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. But I wanted to mention that I picked up these shades from ASOS. You guys always ask me like where I get my glasses from. So you know I got my prescription glasses from Warby Parker that I usually wear in my videos. But your girl got PRK. So I don't have to wear those glasses or contacts anymore. So now I have to wear sunshades until I can fully heal. So I picked these ones up at ASOS. And these are my aviator sunshades that I'm obsessed with. I'm not sure if they're still selling these right now, because when I was buying them, they didn't have many left. So I'll check for you guys, and if they do, I'll drop the link below. Yeah, so I'm out front of my mom's house right now. She's gonna roll with me. It's actually like a gloomy day, but we won't let that stop the show. We about to get into it and have a great mommy and daughter day. Yeah, so like I said, thank you guys so much for the love. I really appreciate it. Hope you guys have been enjoying my videos, and let's get into the shop with me. Alright guys, I am finally back home. I just got back from Home Goods, and also I went to At Home, like you guys seen. The stores, they had a lot of stuff, but not the stuff that I was looking for. Like, you know, I was trying to get stuff for my master bathroom and for my son's room. But I didn't find that many items, but I did find what I was looking for today, which was those soap dispensers and lotion dispensers. So I picked those up, but I wanted to give you guys a big haul of all the stuff that I already have for my master bathroom, and then some of the other stuff I picked up for some other rooms in my house. So let's get started. So the first item I got is this tray, which is going to house like our Q-tip holder and both for our dispensers, one for soap and one for lotion. So I got this tray from Target. I think it's so pretty. This is honestly like the basis of what I'm framing my master bathroom. You guys already seen my, and don't mind, my son is out there, but you also seen like my master bedroom right now, and of course it's neutral, so I want those vibes to carry on into my bathroom. So I want just to start with this as the foundation piece. It's pulling like a lot of gray, some brown, black, and beigey tones. So I think that's really beautiful. This is such a great natural piece. I have two, so one is going to go on my side and then one is going to go on my husband's side, and both of ours look a little bit different. So let me show you the other one. So this is the same product and they just have variations to it. So I think this one is really pretty as well. I'll probably, I don't know who's going to get which one. I don't know if I want this one or I want the one with more of the brown tones. It really doesn't matter because they both are really cute staple pieces. So yeah, so that is what I'm basing everything else off of. So let's get into the rugs. So this is the bath mat I got from Target, and this is from the brand Casa Luna. It's a textured bath mat. It's pulling, hopefully it's pulling like a dark gray to you guys, because that's what it is. It's not black. But I thought this was a nice color to tie in with the stone. So yeah. So that's the bath mat. And I got 3 of these. So one to go under my sink, one to go under my husband's sink, and then one to go on the outside of our shower. So also for the trays, I picked up this canister. This is Project 62 from Target. Just a black canister that is going to house like our Q-tips, and I'm going to put these on top of the trays along with the soap dispenser and the lotion dispenser. So it's just going to sit up here, and then it's going to be soap and lotion next to it. I think that's going to be really cute, and of course it's going to be matching. My husband's going to have the same exact layout on his side. All right, so my camera died, but I'm back and we're moving on to the soap dispensers. So I picked up these soap dispensers from Home Goods, and I was able to find 4 of them because, you know, I wanted them to match on both of our sinks. So these are some Amber soap dispensers, great spouts, I believe. And yeah, these are going to sit on the trays with the canister. So let me show you how that's going to look. So this is my vision for how it's going to be displayed on our sinks. So I think all these pull well together, the browns, the blacks, and with this neutral tray, I think this really works well together. So I'm excited to see this on our sinks. So another item that I picked up that's just going to go on my sink is this mirror. I got this from Target. It's the Hearth and Hand collection. Of course, it magnifies on one side, and I plan on using this for my makeup. So I thought this was a great find, and then I can also hold my jewelry below on this little tray that I thought was cute. So that's going to go on my side. So I also picked up 4 of these bath hooks. And these are going to house our towels and also our hand towels that will go on the side of our sinks. So I'm just going to place these there, and then I also bought these Casa Luna hand towels from Target as well. Thought these were really cute. Got the fringes below, and this is a gray color. I think this will really tie well into the tray. So these are it together. Thought that looked really cute. So I'm going to put this, like I said, on both of our sinks on the side of it. So I also picked up this bathtub tray from Amazon. And of course it extends out. It's kind of hard to do this here, but it extends out, which is great. And then also holds a candle, of course, your iPad or book, some soap, and a wine glass. So I thought that was really cute, and I got this in the color black. I also picked up these sprays from Target, Casa Luna brand. One is Clarity and one is Tranquility. And oh my gosh, these smell so light, so refreshing. I love both of these. I tend to use this at nighttime, and I use this one in the morning or daytime, and they smell so good. I definitely recommend these. Another item I picked up for my bathtub is going to actually stand beside it and either house like a plant or a towel, just more of an accent piece. I picked this up from Target, and this is a stool, and this is from the Hearth and Hand Magnolia brand. So I thought this was really cute. I've been eyeing this for a while. Glad I can pick it up. I think this is just going to look good and tie into all my neutral tones in my bathroom. So yeah, I had to pick this up, and I think it's going to go really well. Of course, I had to pick up some candles for my bathroom. This is Sweet Peony from the Sensational brand. I usually find all of these at Home Goods, and this one right here, guys, oh my goodness, it smells so good. Please pick this up. It is called Sweet Peony Sensational. So good. So I'm going to keep this in my bathroom, and I'll probably sit this on my bath tray to go over the tub. So good. So that's it for my bathroom decor. But of course, I still have a lot of decor from my old house that I plan on pulling in case I need it. In any areas that I think may be bare, I'll just pull it as needed. I know I have some faux greenery. I have some artwork that I can use. So I'm excited to see what pieces blend in with the decor that I picked up now. But I do still have some decor pieces that I picked up today that is not for my master bathroom, but I wanted to show you guys anyway. So let's start off with my at-home purchases. So I picked up these wooden spoons that I plan on putting in my utensil canister. I thought these were really cute, made out of mango wood, and I picked up 2 of these. So of course, for me, these would just be decorations. I probably would not use these for actual salad in case like I just need to for some reason. I just thought these were beautiful, and I wanted to display these as decor. So the next item I got is for my sea salt. I found this at Home Goods, and I just think this would look so cute housing my sea salt on my kitchen counter. So I definitely had to pick this up, and I'm just going to see how it all ties in together with my other kitchen decor. So yeah, I found this at Home Goods, and it was actually on sale for $11, and it's actually very heavy. So happy about this purchase. I think it looks so cute. Can't wait to use it. And the last thing I picked up at Home Goods is this candle. It is called Clean Kitchen by DW Home. You guys, if you're ever at your local Home Goods and find this scent, I'm trying to tell you, it smells so good. It's just gonna make you want to have a clean kitchen and light this thing. I'm telling you, I always buy this when I see this. Anytime I see this at Home Goods, I pick it up. I don't care if it's 4 of them. I will pick it up because I know I'm going to use it. So I definitely recommend this. Again, it smells so good. If you find this, or if you have had this scent, let me know in the comments what you think about it. I love it. So that is it for my shop with me and my haul for my master bathroom, of course, with a little other items as well. But thank you guys so much for watching. Again, thank you for the 1K subscribers. I appreciate you guys so much. Thanks for keep coming back and tuning in into my videos. I am just having a great time showing you guys the progress on our home. And like I said, my next video is going to be to decorate with me for our master bathroom. So stay tuned for that. That is coming very soon, and I can't wait to roll it out and show you guys it. But until then, thank you guys for watching, and until next time, bye.